In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to download the AlignMix software. There are two versions of AlignMix. The first version is a 2-week trial of the AlignMix Pro version, and the AlignMix Pro trial allows you to use all the tools and features that are found in the full version of AlignMix, but with a few limitations. Like any exports that you create will have a watermark on the images, and Excel exports will be missing every other row of data. And of course, that trial will expire after 2 weeks of use. And then we have the Pro version, which is purchased with an annual fee, and you are able to use all the features without any watermarks or limitations on exports. If you have purchased AlignMix Pro, you will have received an email that has a link to download the full Pro version of AlignMix. Make sure to click that link. If you are a Pro user and you can't find that email, you simply click here on Support underneath the AlignMix website, and then click here on Pro Download, and then you click here to download the Pro setup. If you're looking to download the AlignMix trial version, you would click here on Download Trial, and then click here on the Download button. So let's go ahead and download the Pro version. Downloading either version will operate the same way. So let's click here on Download Pro Setup, and here in the bottom left, you will see that it starts the download. And this download is being saved wherever all of your downloads go when you download something off of the internet. When it's ready, you'll be able to click and launch the installer. You may see this pop-up appear, and that's fine. Simply click here on More Info, and then click here on Run Anyway. Click here on the Next button, and now you can choose some extra add-ins that are included in the Pro version. If you wanted to include the Help manual, you would select that here in the checkbox. If you wanted to include U.S. counties, U.S. MSAs, or any extra countries that are included in the Pro version, you would select all these checkboxes here. You can also download these extra countries later on by clicking on File and Download and Install Geography. From here, you simply click on Next, Next again, and accept the terms. If you'd like to read the AlignMix license agreement, you can do that here by scrolling through and reading all that text. And then finally, click here on Next and Install. Clicking Yes again, that install process will begin. And when it's finished, you'll be able to launch the AlignMix software and start creating your sales territories. If you are using a corporate computer or a computer that is locked down with a firewall, you may need admin access, so please reach out to your IT department so they can grant you access in order to install and activate the AlignMix software. When the AlignMix software is fully downloaded, it will launch and this screen will appear. And this is the activation screen. From here, you need to email the AlignMix team this unique ID. And you can do that by clicking on this email button, and it'll generate an email that will go directly to us. We will then be able to send you an activation code that you will simply click and paste here, and then you can start using AlignMix. And there you go. You've just learned how to download, install, and activate AlignMix.